The easiest way to make money with Midjourney generated images would be one to where all you do is enter a single prompt, get an image, save the image, and then sell the image, but nobody's really talking about that, and that's why I'm going to. This right here is wirestock.io. Go ahead and make a quick free account on this. This is the tool we're going to be using, as this takes a ton of different stock photo marketplaces and compiles them into one easy to post on tool. So here we have our Midjourney Discord server, so go ahead and use the prompt. Here it is, you ready? Imagine. You're just going to use the imagine prompt, and I don't know why nobody is talking about this, but we're going to go ahead and take this prompt right here. We're going to save this image. Just go ahead and save the image you generated to your computer. Now we're going to go ahead and open up this right here. Now, you're going to save this as a PNG, at least that's how it's automatically going to save, but we want that to be a JPG, so we're going to use this free tool right here to quickly convert it to what we need. See how fast that was? Now we're going to click on download. This is PNG to JPG.com. Now, once we've done that, we're going to go over to upscale.media. This is an AI image upscaler, and this is going to increase the resolution of our image. Go ahead and drag and drop that, and then over here on the right, select enhance quality on, upscale to 2x. So this is processing right now. We're going to go ahead and wait for that to finish. And here we go, we have it. So AI upscaling, make sure you choose enhance quality to on, and then go ahead and let it process again. Now that we have this processed, we can see the original and the output. The clarity is just much better. Now there are other upscale options, but this one is free and it's all we really need. Go ahead and click download image and then exit out of that. You'll see we have our image. Make sure I pull that up so you can see it. We have our upscaled and AI image upscale resolution all complete right here. Now we're going to go ahead and go back to Wirestock, and on the top right we're going to click on upload from computer. We're going to choose the image we just created and then upscaled. We're going to go ahead and let that upload, and then we'll talk about these options on the right side. Okay, we'll go ahead and exit out of that. We can see that we have it here. Now the caption optional, I like to do one word, so let's do computer coder and then artificial intelligence, because you want people to know that this was AI generated. Now anything you generate while subscribed to Midjourney, you do actually own. It's your prompt that you gave it, so you have the copyright for the images as long as you are on a subscription. Now that's a gray line. We'll talk about that in another video, because there really is no TOS that says you can't use for commercial purposes on a free plan, but we'll talk about that later. Now, on the right side, we have two options. We have easy and manual. We can just go with easy. You'll notice sell on marketplaces is going to be automatically checked, and you want to leave that the same. Okay, so are there visible people on this image? Now this is, if we hover over this, if your content displays people and private intellectual property, then you need to get model or property owner permission. So because this is AI generated, there is a person in it, but it is not like a live model or a model from someone's portfolio that we need to get their personal permission to use. This is not a person, so we will click on no. Now you'll see all the marketplaces down here that it's going to list on for you. Now you can go and make an individual account on each one, but why do that when you have something like Wirestock? Now here's where we have extra details for discovery. This is where we want to add 3 to 5 keywords that define what we're looking at. Basically think if you were to search for this image, or if you were doing a search on a stock photo website and this is the image you wanted to come up, what would you be searching for? Well, I would probably be searching for coder, coding, scientist, let's say artificial intelligence, and computer coding. And let's just add computers as well. So we'll just add that right there. And then we just go to the top right and we click on post. This will at once post our image for sale on all of those marketplaces. If we exit out, now we can see we have 2 images listed. Now again, I'm doing all of this on a free account that I just started to show you that you don't have to subscribe. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, found it educational or entertaining. I am constantly trying to come out with free tutorials to show show you how to better utilize the potential of AI. Because let's face it, not everybody has all day, every day, have all that time to spend digging through this. So that's why I spend my time doing it and making these short videos to hopefully help you out. If you're interested in AI and the potential, there's 2 videos on your screen right now that I'd urge you to take a look at. They'll both unlock the potential for AI in their own unique areas for you and give you a better visual on how far we can push this.